Makoto Plus Samurai members have access to a lot of content, including our monthly magazine, weekly lessons, and podcast exclusives. But Shogun members have much more. Not only do Shogun members have unlimited access to Makoto magazine back issues, they also have all previous weekly sentence breakdowns and lessons. Today I want to showcase the Yonde Miyo section, also a Shogun perk. These stories are also found in our Beriberi Shoshinsha digital bundle for purchase, but Shogun members have unlimited access to all of them as part of their membership. Every month we add one or two of these beginner-level stories. These stories are short and interesting even though they are designed for beginners. No see, spot, run here. These are short stories made for adult learners. For example, you'll find funny language mistakes, cultural misunderstandings, and interesting essays on Japan. Click on any one of these stories and listen to the audio in normal or slow speed. The tabs let you choose between several versions of the story. The Hiragana tab is for those who have just learned Hiragana and want to practice reading. To help with understanding, this section has spaces between words. Read each sentence and then tap the Show Glossary and Notes to see a complete vocabulary list with grammatical explanations. Read the same story again, but in more natural Japanese. Upper beginners may want to start here. Every kanji has furigana, the small hiragana over the kanji, but there are no spaces. As before, you can tap Show Glossary and Notes for vocabulary and grammar help. Lastly, try reading the story with no furigana or spaces. Then read our English translation to confirm understanding. If you aren't yet a Makoto Plus member, please consider becoming one today. Try Shogun out for free for 7 days.